Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download LibreOffice in your Windows 11 operating system. So first of all we need to open the browser of our computer and then just type LibreOffice. So on the first page you will see this website libreoffice.org. So we just need to open it. Then here you will see the download button at top. So just click there and select download LibreOffice. Then here in this choose operating system we need to choose Windows 64-bit and just click on download. And yeah, after a few seconds you will see that the downloading has been started, so we have to wait for some time here. After your download is done, just open the file by clicking on the file. Now let me just minimize the browser. So here we just wait for a couple of seconds, then you will see this installer window. So here we just need to click on next, and typically we need to tick this first box because they'll create the shortcut for us. So just tick this first box and untick the second box and just click on install here. Now the process is started, so it will take some minutes, and once it is done you will see this window where we need to click on finish. And yeah, here you can see we have successfully installed LibreOffice in our Windows 11 operating system. Here you can see the desktop shortcut for that. Now if I just double click on that, you will see that the LibreOffice is now starting. And yeah, here you can see all of the tools we have in our LibreOffice, like writer document, calc spreadsheet is alternative of Excel, this is alternative of Microsoft Word. So you have all the tools here, and from now you can use them. But yeah, that's how you can download and install LibreOffice in your Windows 11 operating system. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.